Hello, darlings. Today, we're delving into the wonderful world of onions. These humble bulbs, so often relegated to the sidelines of our dishes, are in fact nutritional powerhouses. Yes, they can make us cry a little in the kitchen, but trust me, the tears are worth it for the incredible health benefits they offer. We'll be exploring the unique qualities of green onions, red onions, yellow onions, and white onions. From boosting our immunity to adding a touch of magic to our meals, onions truly are a gift from the earth. So, grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's uncover the surprising health benefits of these layered lovelies together. Let's start with the delicate green onion, also known as the scallion. Don't be fooled by their slender stature. These emerald beauties are packed with vitamins A and K, along with a healthy dose of antioxidants. These antioxidants, my dears, are our secret weapon against those pesky free radicals that can wreak havoc on our bodies. Green onions also contain anti-inflammatory compounds, like quercetin and kaempferol, which can help soothe inflammation. And for those of you, like me, who adore a bit of cheese and dairy, the high vitamin K content in green onions helps keep our bones strong and healthy. Finally, green onions are a friend to our digestive system, thanks to their gentle fiber content. They add a lovely, mild onion flavor to dishes without being overpowering. Now let's move on to the vibrant red onion. These beauties, with their deep red and purple hues, are a feast for the eyes and a boon for our health. Their rich color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. And, as if that wasn't enough, red onions also contain quercetin and sulfur compounds, which have shown promise in cancer prevention studies. These antioxidants work tirelessly to combat oxidative stress, protecting our cells from damage. Red onions also pack a good amount of vitamin C, which we all know is essential for a robust immune system. Whether enjoyed raw in salads or caramelized to perfection, red onions are a delicious way to add a nutritional punch to our meals. The yellow onion, a staple in kitchens around the world. These golden orbs are prized for their versatility and robust flavor. But beyond their culinary appeal, yellow onions are brimming with health benefits. They're an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for a happy and healthy gut. Yellow onions also boast an impressive amount of vitamin C, giving our immune system a welcome boost. And let's not forget about those sulfur compounds, particularly allicin, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Whether we're sautéing them, roasting them, or adding them to soups and stews, yellow onions bring a depth of flavor and a wealth of nutrients to our table. Last, but certainly not least, we have the elegant white onion. While they may be lower in antioxidants compared to their colorful counterparts, white onions still offer an array of health benefits. Like yellow onions, they are a good source of fiber, promoting digestive health and keeping things moving smoothly. White onions have also been linked to improved blood sugar regulation, which is wonderful news for those of us watching our sugar intake. And just like red onions, the sulfur compounds in white onions may contribute to heart health by helping to lower cholesterol and improve blood vessel function. Their sharp, pungent flavor mellows beautifully when cooked, making them a fantastic addition to a variety of dishes. There you have it, my darlings. The humble onion, in all its glorious forms, is so much more than just a base for our favorite dishes. These nutritional powerhouses offer a plethora of health benefits, from boosting our immunity to protecting our hearts. So, next time you're in the kitchen, don't be afraid to be generous with the onions. Chop them, dice them, slice them, caramelize them. The possibilities are endless. And remember, a little tear here and there is a small price to pay for the incredible flavor and health benefits these layered lovelies bring to our lives.